Hey everyone, Gil here of Camppatton Family Compound. Alrighty, so as you can tell by the title, this is about our 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And let's bring it up. Boom, there we go. And we're going to go over the rules tonight of what you have to do to be entered in for the giveaway. All right, so let's go to the next page and see what the rules are. You must be subscribed and have rung the bell on this video or by the time the giveaway occurs. So it's a little kind of, basically you have to be a subscriber, you must have rung the bell, and if you're new to the channel and this is the first video you see, you need to do it now. Alrighty. Number 2, you need to share the link for this video, which is the URL up there in the top there, and you share it on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or make a YouTube video yourself about it. And then once you do that, you need to take the link to that post, to your share, wherever you shared it at, the link to it, and put it in the comment section down below here. That shows that you have actually completed number 2 and that you've shared the link for this. Now, every time for every medium you share it on, like if you do a YouTube shout out video, you put it in a comment. Then if you put it on Facebook, you put it in a different comment. This is important. Same thing if you do it, then if you do it on Instagram, you got to put it in a different comment. If you do a second shout out video and you put the link to this in both videos, each time you do one, you put another comment and the link to that second video down below. Okay. What this does, it means every time there's a comment in it where you've shared it, that's an opportunity for you to win. So let's go down here to the next one. Okay. The drawing will be on the Friday night special live stream, and it'll occur on the next week following the day the channel reaches 1,500 subscribers. So what that means is, say the channel hits 1,500 on a Wednesday. It's not the Friday 2 days later where we'll do the drawing. It's the Friday 9 days later, the following week. Why? Because we want to have a chance, as it says down on the bottom there, to confirm, get confirmation that the 1,500 mark has been reached, and then set the date of the prize, the drawing date, and announce that twice, once on the Friday night special following us reaching it, and the Tactical Tuesday. Now, the odd day out is going to be what happens if we reach it on Friday or Saturday. Well, that'll push it back because we want to give everybody a chance to make sure they know about it and they are there to win. We will be making announcements from the time it happens that we reach the 1,500 mark till the time we have the drawing, so everybody knows, or everybody has an opportunity to find out when the drawing is. And any other videos we put out between then, any regular videos we upload, we'll make a note on it as well in the description, at the first line of the description. You must be present or in the streaming, in the chat for that live stream to win, because you have to make some choices. And if you're not there to make the choices, you can't win. All right. There are 3 place winners, first, second, and third. The first place winner will have their choices of the prizes, then the second place winner, and then the third place winner will get the final thing. So the prizes are 4 boxes. Let me make myself bigger here. Boom. 4 boxes of wide mouth Kerr canning lids, 12 per box. That's 48 lids, or 4 boxes, 12 each, 48 lids of regular, or a mixture thereof. Basically, the first place person gets 4 boxes any way they want it. Second place winner has their choice. Well, actually, the first place, First place winner may take the other option, the Zippo emergency fire kit. So this, and this are your choices. So the first place winner has their choice of what they want. If the first place winner wants this, they get this. If he wants canning lids, he has his choices of 4 boxes, whether he wants 3 of the wide mouth and 1 of the regular, or 2 and 2, or all 4. He has his choice. That's why you got to be there, so you can make that choice of what you want. Let's bring this back up again. All right, and okay, so once again, the prizes to choose from are 4 boxes, wide mouth, 4 boxes regular, or a mixture thereof, or a Zippo emergency fire kit. All righty, and some of you have seen a couple of videos where I showed where I found my mother's stashed a big, huge case of canning lids. Well, that's where these came from. So that's what we're giving away. Now, if there's any questions, go ahead and put the questions down below in a comment. That comment should not have a link to wherever you're sharing it. It should just be a question about what it is. What's going to happen, let me switch this up a little bit. What's going to happen is when I go to do the drawing, we're going to go through and delete all non-link comments. So if there's a comment in there saying, oh, good job, whatever, we're deleting that. We want only the ones that have links left in it. And then we'll use the sorter to pick out, to go through and pick one. All right. That way it's fair only to those that have shared the link per the rules. If you have any other questions, again, make a comment now beforehand. I mean, before we get too close to it. We believe that we will hit the 1,500 mark before tax day. Well, actually, I pushed it up, but the official tax day of April 15th. We'll see what happens. We are going to, we will not have the drawing until we actually hit 1,500. If it takes a little bit longer, we will keep it going. So once we hit 1,500, we'll have the drawing. All righty. So as always, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. I'll see you in the next video.